to my sport. I haven't been able to turn back into LCC. I'm actually being judged.
Okay, I'm going to require that the prosecution get in contact with their witness and advise that Ms. McEwen will go. Are you able to go this weekend to get your things? Yes, Ms. McEwen will go this weekend to retrieve her personal items.
I'll have a police escort.
The court doesn't provide.
Well,
police.
not, I will call.
If you can get a police to go with you, then absolutely, but they have not been able to assist people with retrieving their items for domestic violence. So that's why I'm gonna require the prosecutor to make contact.
Okay.
So you connect with your attorney.
Yes.
This week, Friday,
Yes.
because they should have a confirmation by Friday if the prosecution has been able to make contact with their witness, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. And so, other than that, we'll get your notice to appear. Any additional matters for the record?
No, Your
Not on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set. Yeah, administration now. We did. When?
I listened, she was in here when you were, Susan was in here and you were on the phone.
Oh, the administration can't be known until I take the bench. That could never happen. It can never be notified until I take the bench that the jury trial. Anything can happen.
But they sent it.
Okay. On the record, the number of the State of Michigan versus Jesus Alvarez, 25-00668. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lawrence Sutter on behalf of Mr. Alvarez, who's standing to my right.
Okay, let's see. Mr. Alvarez was scheduled today for a final pretrial on a malicious destruction of the building. I told him on the 14th of April he was to be fingerprinted. There's zero reason why I should have a blue.
He did go down and do that this morning, Your Honor.
Why didn't he do it when I told him to do it? Why didn't you do it when I told you to do it?
Been really busy. I started 2 jobs. I've been working 2 jobs. On the weekends, I just been getting my daughter.
We don't do fingerprinting on the weekends.
I'm just saying, I really don't have time during the day. I work 2 to 10, and my second job I work in the morning, 1 a.m. to 8, 9. And I go in 2 to 10 in my second job.
Okay. Today was the date scheduled for a final pretrial. Witnesses here.
No, Your Honor.
I would make a motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
No contact with your witness.
No, Your Honor.
Motion to dismiss is granted. Without prejudice, the people do have the right to reissue the charge against you. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll get you a copy of dismissal in a moment. Do you have a question for the court? On the record, in the matter of the people, the state of Michigan versus Timothy Bonter, 25-00735, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gale on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Mr. Bonner, who is standing to my right.
Mr. Bonter was scheduled today for his final pre-trial. This is destruction of personal property. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, the people are proceed. We do have both victims here. Yes. Sorry.
Thank you. Your Honor, there was some earlier discussion between myself and Ms. Fortuna Gill regarding this. There has been mention of some receipts regarding restitution here. I haven't had the opportunity to have them sent my way yet. We would be asking for the date currently set for jury trial. Yeah, to an additional final pre-trial, so we can review any of those receipts to see if there is a resolution here.
That's
the
correct.
point. That was the point of the final pre-trial. 30, I said it 35 days out. Jury trial's gonna run or he's gonna plead. Not converting jury trials to new final pre-trials.
I mean, at this point, Your Honor, it is still discovery that I am missing.
The people did receive receipts this morning, Your Honor. And it is our intention to get those to Ms. Sutter. We did just receive them this morning.
I need to go to restitution hearing. If that's the case, we can do that, but we've had 2 iterations, I think, of court dates. Never once did the defense indicate that they were missing discovery.
Your Honor, it's receipts that we were missing. I spoke with, I think it may have been Mr. Nagel at the first hearing that
I recognize that. You did not indicate to the court that you needed some discovery. You
I didn't say to the court that we were
requested
looking-
a final pretrial. You were the one who made the request. So I'm not converting that's court date. You all can resolve it before then, or proceed to trial. Any additional matters for today's record?
On behalf of the people, Your Honor.
nothing further, Your Honor. There may be a motion filed in this case between the next date.
Sounds good. A jury trial, a schedule for June 23rd, 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. You're all set. This is the state of Michigan versus LaPortia Edwards, 25-01000. Appearance, please.
Your Honor, Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter, appearing on behalf of Ms. Edwards. I have not seen her this morning, and I have not heard back from her since my contact attempted last week.
Okay, I'll issue a bank warrant, bond forfeiture. I'll hold it for 48 hours. See if you make contact. What's causing the feedback there? I'll be to jail. Okay, on the record, the matter of the state of Michigan versus Jasmine Kok, 24-00010, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Brown on behalf of Ms. Kowal.
Okay, today was the date scheduled for final pretrial. This is for a assault and battery. We have witnesses here.
Yes, Your Honor.
How are we proceeding?
At this time, we would ask that this matter be set for jury trial date.
I have July 30th as the jury trial.
Thank you.
That'll continue. I'm sorry, that must be an old date. What's the jury trial date?
August 4th at 8 a.m.
Okay, it's gonna be August 4th at 8 a.m. Happy birthday. Okay, do you have any questions for the court today, ma'am? Okay, we'll get you a copy of your notice to appear. Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
On behalf of the people.
No, Your Honor.
State of Michigan versus Ricky Evans, 254-501-4301. Is Ricky Evans present? Let's see, you did not request an attorney to represent you on this, is that correct?
Yeah, I didn't even know I had to come back. I just. So,
You didn't know you had to come back, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, this is scheduled today for a formal hearing. So you must have appeared, it looks like you appeared before the magistrate back on the 24th of April and pled not responsible. And this is for an equipment violation window tint.
it's,
How do you want to proceed on this, sir? Did you want to accept responsibility or did you want to have a hearing? You want to have a hearing? This is scheduled for formal hearing. Do you have a witness here?
Your Honor, I don't believe we have a witness that's checked in on this case.
It's dismissed. You're all set. Okay, let's see. This is the matter of. We're having a good all. Is he downstairs? Why did they put Ramos on before Sonia? Who's representing Ramos?
Yeah.
Who represents Mr. Ramos?
Oh, then give me.
Okay, State of Michigan versus 19-04415 appearance, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Ramos.
Today was the date and the time that was scheduled for a pre-trial. This is for operating while intoxicated, second degree. Mr. Ramos is present from Bingham County Jail via polycom. How are we proceeding?
We're going to request that this matter be set for a 3-day. Final agreement worked out, but if we can work something out within the next week or two.
June 16th at 10:30. June 16th at 10:30. Mr. Ramos, do you have any questions for the court? The additional matters for the record?
On behalf of the people, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
For the record, in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Lonnie Harper, 23-00988. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Harper.
Mr. Harper present.
He's not. Your Honor.
Have you had contact?
I have not been able to.
Okay, we should be sure. On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus William Kirby. 25-01240 appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Perron on behalf of William Kirby, Your Honor. Who's present by Zoom.
Thank you. Today was the date scheduled for pre-trial on this matter. Mr. Kirby is charged with a assault and battery. Let's see, I don't know that we have an appearance yet, so I'm assuming.
I sent an appearance in this morning, actually, by email. I haven't had an
Okay,
opportunity to discuss with the prosecutor yet, but I think that
I
if we're
was
not
gonna
getting
make a
this,
statement. I was making a statement till you cut me off. I said I was assuming you did not get any of your discovery yet, but did you?
no. No, I haven't.
what I
I
was-
sent out for it. I should have it soon.
Okay, so this matter will be reset so that you can get discovery and then.
I just want to set it for a final pretrial if we could.
I'm not setting for a file pre-trial unless you get your discovery. June 16th at 10:30. June 16th at 10:30. Any additional matters for the record today?
Not on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor. I'm sure I'll have an adequate opportunity to talk with the prosecutor in the next month.
Sounds good. Thank you. You're all set. On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Delicia Lockett, 25-00827. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Ms. Lockett. I have not seen her this morning and I have not heard back since I reached out last week.
What is your bench warrant? This is our first failure to appear on this matter at least. So I will hold it 48 hours.
Thank you.
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Weston McDaniels, 24-03460.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Thank you, Your Honor. Jonathan Foreman, Office of Public Defender here with Mr. McDaniels for the purposes of the motion hearing this morning. Lauren Sutter is also present at council table.
When was this motion filed?
This motion was filed back in April, Your Honor. I believe it was a few days before the last pretrial conference was scheduled.
Is there a judge's copy filed?
I believe there was, Your Honor.
So this is just sitting in the file. It wasn't provided to me. Did the prosecution file a response?
We have not been sent any if there was a response.
No, Your Honor.
Why not?
I'm not sure, Your Honor.
Then its motion is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus John Bubarski, 25-00712, appearance please.
Morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Bubarski.
Bubarski had a pre-trial today for child abuse 4th degree. An offer on this.
There's no offer on this at this time, Your Honor.
All right, this time our request should be for final.
I do believe our victim in this case is 11 years old, Your Honor, so I'm not sure how that'll affect things.
I will not require the victim to appear
Okay.
for a final pre-trial. If there's no offer, we'll set it for a jury trial date. At 8 a.m. How many trials are set for August? This is gonna have to be the priority, because I'm not gonna keep making an 11-year-old come to trial. You have any questions for the court today? Any additional matters for the record?
No, on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Change the date. We're gonna change it to August 11th will be the date for this one. We'll get your notice to appear. You can have a seat, sir. Mr. Goodall, who's representing Mr. Goodall?
I represent Mr. Goodall. Your Honor.
It appears Mr. Goodall bonded out last week to Bingham County Jail, has failed to appear, so I'll issue an eviction. This is not his first failure to appear, so it will be an immediate. Mr. Smith is where, downstairs, or are they gonna put him on? David Cheney present. David Cheney. Angela Kinney present. Carlos Reynolds Jr. About Ramisha Turner. Didn't Ramisha Turner just come in last week?
Yeah, she just brought the file back this morning. She said the brother never sent her the email.
We set that show class because she showed up here on Friday.
Okay.
And then where's Mr. Smith?
Mr. Smith is downstairs.
Why was he brought over in person? Is it because of,
He's got,
oh, because of the PA 53?
yes, and service.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be on there. I tried to take that off. The bond show class? Yeah.
Gotcha.
Mr. Smith, please brought up.
Okay.
And then, why is he still waiting in that?
Mr. Bubarski.
Yeah. Get his nose to appear.
His nose.
Do this change. Motion brings Jefferson. Okay, this is the matter of the state of Michigan versus Jeffrey Smith, 25-01214. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortune McGill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Smith.
It was scheduled for a pretrial, and then there was a P 53 bond violation scheduled for today. We'll proceed on this.
Compared to that P 53 bond violation, I think the only violation is for committing a new crime while on bond. And there is in fact a new felony case related to those alleged new crimes, which is set for exam on the 22nd. So that's that bond violation we set out at least to the 22nd.
Through June 16th. June 16th at 10:30. Any additional matters for the record today?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I totally spaced out. What did you say?
So
Well, it depends on when you spaced out. I gave
Just
the
2
next thing.
seconds ago.
Oh, okay, any additional matters for the record?
Okay.
there is something, can I just confirm that Mr. Smith has an exam on his felony case on the 22nd? Is that still on the calendar?
30th. Do you have the 30th? May 30th?
Has it been moved to June?
May 30th? How was it moved? It was moved? Was that the original date?
No, it was moved. But it was just, I think they asked to sit it back because he has something speaking too. If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, obviously you're not representing him on the felony,
That's
correct?
right.
Yeah, so he probably did wait the timeline or something.
Yeah,
He
but
must
it was
have
just
some-
moved back from the 22nd to the 30th.
Yeah, he had something else scheduled on the
Yeah.
30th, so they set that one out to the 30th.
Okay, well, in that case, I have another request. Just to let the court know what's going on, there is a global plea offer that involves pleading to the charge of this case and one count on the felony case, dismissing the felony count on that case. Mr. Smith may be inclined to take that offer, but we're not 100% as of today, so I would ask that we perhaps set this for a plea date sometime in the near future, so we have to wait until June to get that done.
We can set this all on the 30th.
Thank you.
Any additional matters for the record?
Not on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
No, you're.
You're all set.
That's it.
Thank you. And that's all we have till 10. Muted. Who just joined from an iPhone?
Right.
What's your name?
Hello,
Hi, what is your name?
Brittany James.
Who's representing Miss James? I'm assuming it's not Mr. Murphy because he didn't.
I'm showing Miss Sutter, but she didn't talk about it, so that's.
Looks like Sonia is represented.
I do have a question. With Lloyd and stuff like that, yeah, I have some questions. Also. Yeah, so I try to just like have ideas, like enough so I don't flounders, but so it's a balancing test for me. How to do them. I don't know. I don't know. Ask Jen. Say pandemic. So what we do a lot of times with the city and these cases, we can do like different things. Like things like moves, and then get two things that they get in the season and then get put in the track or something.
wondering if that makes sense.
Yeah, I think that
Because it's like their default template. I wonder.
there's a, yeah, I'm not sure their policies on.
You can put the pens and pencils on the pens on the seats. They do this. Yeah.
Yeah. Person.
How many chairs do you have there?
Sorry.
How many chairs are over there for the jury?
7.
What's the 17? I can't see it. It's down there.
Yeah, it's really long.
Oh, okay.
That's fine.
Did you all see the drone video?
The drone.
Video? Oh, did Jim show y'all? The building. Are you ready on James?
I do need to log in and speak with her, Your Honor. We're just figuring out Miss Chandler right now. Okay, sure.
I'm okay with it, so am I. Joel's not gonna have a problem with it.
Joel's not ready to take care of it.
Nikki has a problem with it, I would. I would be surprised. Yes. Yeah, I would appreciate it. Use that. Yeah.
There's people in the breakout. There's people in the. Sorry. 17.2. Okay, wait a minute. Should we address it? Should we address it?
Good plan.
What about Mr. Dean? It looks like you are his attorney.
Sorry?
Mr. Dean.
Thanks. That's fine.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, both these and same pieces.
Mr. Vincent, can you hear me? Mr. Martin Vincent?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, can you start your video, please?
Yes.
Did you decline public defender? Vincent?
Where does it need to say for something?
Mr. Vincent, do you have any representation this morning?
I do not.
Okay, so will you be representing yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hang tight for a second.
Okay.
I have Mr. Benson on, does not have any representation. Did he decline? Council? He did decline. Sorry.
Is it too late to change that?
It's not too late, that's why I'm looking for your file.
Okay.
You have the right to be represented by an attorney. You can be screened for the public defender's office if you'd like to.
Okay.
Okay. You would like to have a screening done?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, we'll have one login in just a moment to get your information, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Actually, you can hold that on. Let's see, who did I just submit? Who just joined from a Samsung SM? You ready on whom, Ms. Sutter?
James and Chandler.
This lady's away, I just don't know. Is that Ms. Beachnaw?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Michaela Chandler, 24-03808, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Ms. Chandler, who is standing to my left. If I may approach with advice of rights and sheet.
Okay, how are you, Ms. Chandler? I'm well, thank you. Today was the date scheduled for pretrial. I do have an offer here under deferred sentencing for you to plead to a no ops with sentencing in 3 months if licensed at the time. The charge will be dismissed. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes.
Okay, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury?
Yes.
Okay, I have an advice of rights and fee information sheet. Is that your signature? Okay, can I date this for today?
Yes.
Okay. And you went over these rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes.
Do you understand all the rights that are listed here?
Yes.
Do you want to give these rights up so that you can accept the offer to plead guilty today to the charge of driving while license is suspended under a deferred sentencing? Meaning, we'll set your sentencing out if you comply with the plea offer by getting your license reinstated. They'll dismiss the charge. You understand that?
Yes. And just to confirm, today would be a plea to no operator's license on person, not the
I'm
driver's license suspended.
No ops with, yeah, the plea to the no ops, correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see here. You understand that you have the right to the presumption that you are innocent, so you don't have to waive your right to innocence. You can maintain it and require that the prosecutor prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You also have the right to require them to bring witnesses that you can cross-examine. Your right to call your own witnesses and to present evidence that you believe show a defense to the charges being brought against you. You understand that?
Yes.
You also have the right to remain silent at trial and not have that silence be used against you. You understand that, right?
Yes.
You want to waive each of these rights today?
Yeah.
Is anyone threatening you to do that?
No.
Any promises if you waive the rights? Any promises other than what I stated about the plea agreement, if you waive your rights today?
No.
As to the amended charge of no ops in possession, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Factual basis.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Chandler, is it true that on or about December 25th of 2024, you were driving a vehicle on or near South Pennsylvania Ave and Jolly Road?
Yes.
And is that in the city of Lansing, Eaton County, Michigan?
Yes.
And is it true that at the time you were driving that vehicle, you did not have a valid license with you at the time?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. I believe that satisfies the factual basis.
Any questions from the prosecutor?
None, Your Honor.
I find your plea to be freely, voluntarily, and intelligently made. I'll accept your plea. The matter will be scheduled for sentencing in 90 days.
August 25th at 10:30.
August 25th at 10:30. Do you have any questions for the court today? We'll get you a notice to appear. Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
On behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Nothing further. Thank you.
You're all set, ma'am. On the record of the matter of the state of Michigan versus Brittany James, 25-00579, appearance, please.
Good morning,
I'm
Your
here.
Honor. McGill, on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Ms. James, who joins us via Zoom.
Okay, today was the date that was set for a pretrial. This is for an assault and battery. Is there an offer on this?
There's no offer on this at this time, Your Honor.
We'd like to set for final pretrial, Your Honor.
23rd at 8 a.m.
Final pretrial, June 23rd at 8 a.m. In person at the court.
Jury trial August 4th at 8 a.m.
Jury trial is August 4th, 8 a.m., also in person at the court. Do you have any questions today, Ms. James?
Could you repeat the court dates one more time for me?
Yes. June 23rd, you must appear in person by 8 a.m. in the morning. And then August 4th, also 8 a.m. in the morning in person.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Any additional matters for the record?
Not on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're all set, ma'am.
Did I just sign another bench warrant? Who was that?
Yes, that's for Harper. I was getting ready to get back to you. I noticed it 14 days.
Why not? LPR 14 days. That means you were supposed to put that in the line. That's why I asked her something was off. It's actually fine. You put it on the first page. Correct?
Yes, it's 3 months.
They can-
So at least it comes in, so.
I'm not remanding him. I'm just saying that they can't let him out on a PR.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep.
Many times. Okay, let's see. Did Mr. Rowley step out?
Yes, he just.
Bravo 4's door.
Yeah.
That is.
No,
How do
Mr. Rowley.
I thought he was stepping out to lock in to get. the
Did he say he was gonna
information.
do that? Because that's what we want him to do.
And I'm out.
So
So
Okay.
What's this?
I don't have.
Who's representing Mr. Dang? Does he not have an attorney?
Mr. Dang,
Is that, yes, Mr. Dang.
Mr. Riley.
I have Mr. Raleigh highlighted.
Okay, then, so what is Mr. Riley doing right now?
He is sitting there trying to. He's approached him in his question. His case.
Case,
So,
a
I
case
did
on my
tell-
docket today?
No, I did tell him that you were waiting for him to sign it. He just signed it.
Well, is he ready on Dang? Who's already represented? Mr. Who is this logging in? Is that Gianina?
Ballerini.
Who's representing Ms. Ballerini?
Ballerini. I'm gonna log in to get Miss Beachnaw.
He's coming in the courtroom now, because he's been sitting out there all this time, he could have been did that. Now, we gotta get.
Aisha Williams went out there with him.
Are you representing Ballerini?
I am,
Okay, and Ding,
and
you ready on both?
yes, I believe we are.
Okay, on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Gianina Ballerini 25-00220, appearance please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Miss Ballerini.
Okay, Ms. Ballerini was scheduled for pre-trial today. I have 3 counts of assault and battery. Was there an offer on this?
There's not an offer at this time, Your Honor.
We're gonna be asked if this matter be set for final pre-trial. I do want to note that Ms. Ballerini has an exam on a felony case set for the 30th, so we may be able to come to some sort of resolution by then. But meanwhile, we're requesting a final pre-trial date sometime after the 30th of May.
June 23rd at 8 a.m.
Final pre-trial, June 23rd at 8 a.m. in person at the court.
And then jury trial August 4th.
August 4th for jury trial. Ms. Ballerini, do you have any questions for the court?
Yeah, I don't understand.
You say you don't understand?
Yeah.
What facility is she in?
She's in the county jail.
I want to let her under these circumstances so that she can't hear. Is there a deputy there?
No.
Well, let's see. There might be a behavior issue. I do see a note here from March 26th that she got violent. I don't know why she did this now. Okay, can you hear us, Miss Ballerini?
Yes.
Okay, so there was no offer on this case extended to you from the prosecutor's office, so your attorney is requesting this matter be scheduled for a final pretrial, okay?
Well, when is the trial?
The trial is gonna be August 4th. At least that's what it's scheduled for now.
Can I get out in between?
Can you do what?
Can I get out?
Get out of what?
Do I have to stay
Out
in
of jail? No, you can absolutely get out if you post the bond 3,500, 10%.
Pardon, can you repeat? I can barely hear you now.
Your bond is 3,500, 10%. who's telling you what to ask for, but pretty sure they're not your attorney. Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
I cannot hear you.
I apologize if the jail put you on like this. I don't know why they did that. I'm gonna order that you appear in person for your next court date before a trial, because this is not very meaningful for them to put you in a courtroom setting under these conditions. We can't communicate with you. Your attorney couldn't even meet with you privately right now, because obviously there's other people there who can hear and communicate with you.
I wanna.
So we'll have you appear in person on June 23rd, okay? I can't hear you because there's either an echo or there's someone else that's talking. That's someone else. There's someone else that's yelling. There's someone else yelling in the background, so I'm gonna discontinue this and we'll have the jail address why they're putting her on like this, because I don't understand why that was necessary. Are we ready on Ding as well?
We are, Judge, yes.
Okay, on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Christopher or Isaac, is it Christopher Isaac?
Yes.
Christopher Isaac Ding, 25-01344, appearance, please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Ding.
Okay, Mr. Ding had a pretrial today for assault and battery. Let's see, was there an offer extended on this at this time?
There's no offer on this right now, Your Honor.
Requesting final pretrial and trial dates, Your Honor.
Pretrial June 23rd at 8 AM.
June 23rd, 8 AM in person at the court for final pretrial.
Hold on, just one moment.
August 11th at 8 AM.
Look, he was dead. The boss tapped him to come back, and now that is.
What was the date again? Excuse me, my apologies.
Your final pretrial is gonna be June 23rd in person at the court.
And what time, ma'am?
8 AM.
Can you repeat that? I couldn't hear you.
8 AM,
Thank you.
no problem. And then your jury trial is gonna be at 8 AM on August 11th in person at the court.
August.
You have any questions at this time?
No, ma'am.
Okay, any additional matters for the record?
Not on behalf of the people, Your
No,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
All right, you guys have a wonderful day.
Same to you. Mr. Benson needs an intake.
I will speak to him. Judge.
Okay, thank you. And then we're ready on Beachnaw.
Yes, Your
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Sonia K. Beachnaw, 25-00570, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Ms. Beachnaw, who joins us via Zoom.
Okay, this matter was reset. I have 2 unlicensed dogs and reset this because I think there was one dog that had been put down. The other was vaccinated, but Beachnaw was trying to relocate at the time. How are we proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. This is going to be another request for adjournment. Ms. Beachnaw has now got herself settled. She got on a list to have the remaining animal vaccinated, licensed, and spayed. The date she was just provided for that is June 27th. I would ask the court to consider allowing us an adjournment for the first Monday after that date. She advised me on that date she should have all of the documentation.
30th. Where's the appointment?
June 27th, Your Honor.
June 30th at 8:30?
Thank you very much.
No problem. You have any questions for the court, Ms. Beachnaw?
No, ma'am.
Any
Thank
additional
you.
matters? You're welcome.
None, Your Honor. Nothing further.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Same to you. Who's on the iPhone? What's your name?
Hi, my name is Amanda Wallace.
Amanda Wallace. Does she not have an attorney?
No, I do not, ma'am.
Okay, and you do not want to request an attorney to represent you?
No,
Is that
ma'am.
correct? Okay, and then we also have Kayla Horton is here.
She declined as well.
And you declined public defender as well, Ms. Horton? You're muted.
Yes, I did.
Okay, the prosecutor will log in to meet with both of you.
Your Honor, may I ask a question?
Yes.
On that motion from earlier today, did you want my office to submit a 7-day order or anything like that?
Yes, please.
Very good.
I just sent you an email.
I'm the one got cat for hell.
I expect this call nobody set up there yet, but I sure.
Did you receive the email?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not what you're supposed to do, that we're supposed to do. To who? And who else? No, print it until we confirm that there's no changes. I have a date for Benson.
Harry set it to June 16 at 10:30.
Mr. Benson,
Yes, ma'am.
we are resetting your matter to June 16th at 10:30.
Okay.
Okay, you're all set unless you have a question for the court.
That's it. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And did I hear that Mr. Raleigh did the interview?
Correct.
Okay, then I'll delete the one.
Did I miss something? I didn't see anybody here for a motion that says I can get you. Here? We have an attorney?
It's an unfortunate one, it's not a jerk.
Let's see. No, it's not that this thing going to appear.
Is Draco McClure gonna be over Polycom or is he downstairs?
I'm sorry, Draco?
Draco McClure.
He's supposed to be on Polycom. Yeah. Those teas, you know, higher.
Where's it's been, gonna be on the Polycom? Important, this. No one's here for Nick C. I'm sorry, there's no one in the hallway.
No, I can check again, but what was it?
It's Mr. Raleigh's client. I don't know that he's had any contact with her.
Who's in Livingston County?
Draco McClure's. Polycom? Yes.
Yes, he should be Polycom.
Yeah.
Is there something playing in the background, Miss Horton?
Yeah, I'm trying to find my mute button here.
Well, you need to turn off whatever's playing in the background.
Okay.
Out of here.
Oh, sure, she's on.
And this, the ticket you can go. Okay.
Okay, Mr. McClure, I found this out Friday, that he was transferred
So
to
we kind
Livingston
of got
County,
in the middle.
but I was able to.
So when we're gonna.
Let's see, on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Kayla Horton. And this is in file number 25-01011, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Ms. Horton is present via Zoom without counsel. This is for a dog at large. So your offer on this.
Your Honor, at this time, the people are going to motion to have this dismissed for compliance.
Motion to dismiss is granted. You're all set, Ms. Horton.
Thank you.
You're welcome. On the record, in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Amanda Wallace, 25-01078, appearance, please.
Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
And Ms. Wallace is present via Zoom without counsel. There was a pretrial scheduled for a dog at large and a vicious dog. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, at this time, the people would motion to have these dismissed as well. It's our understanding that there have been additional precautions put in place to prevent the dog from getting out again, and the people would like to dismiss at this time.
This one is on. The points I need.
Oh, this one is Denali.
Correct.
My apologies, Your Honor.
Okay, the people are dismissing this one as well as you're all set.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. This one that, at least the affidavit of probable cause is that the dog caused injury to another dog. So that there's not a victim on this?
There's no victim on it, Your Honor.
Maybe.
Where was the clerk?
That's what I'm looking into now. I see that we did learn Friday that he was transferred from ICJ.
You told me that already.
Yes. However, I overlooked that he was supposed to be here today. I put him down for tomorrow because I saw that.
He has another case tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a furnishing false info case.
So was there an offer on this one?
There is, Your Honor, it's trespass with time served.
You haven't had an opportunity to speak to him? Then?
No, Your Honor, I told him this was the offer I was gonna try for, and he's happy about it, but he hasn't had it confirmed that it was the offer made.
I could reset this for tomorrow. I just need a prosecutor to log in for it.
That's fine. I can do that.
Thank you.
What time is this key scheduled tomorrow?
11.
At 11. Not seeing Nikki C. That is your client, I believe, but I don't have an appearance for some reason.
As my client, I was expecting her to appear on Zoom.
What, 48 hours?
Karen, would you like us to hold on to the plea sheet before till tomorrow, or would you just like it now?
Oh, you can give me now, just put it in the file. We're ready on Mr. Williams.
Yes, we're ready.
The record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Isa Williams, 25-01343.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haley Fortuna Gill on behalf of the people.
Jacob Rowley on behalf of Mr. Williams.
Mr. Williams has a pretrial for brandish in public. Is there an offer on this?
No offer at this time, Your Honor.
She might want to proceed.
Be requesting final pre-trial date.
This is set up for trial date. August 18th at 8 a.m. for trial in person at the court. Okay, sir? Do you have any questions for the court?
No, sorry. It was misunderstood.
Any additional matters, counsel?
Not on behalf of the people.
No, Your Honor.
All right, we'll get you a notice to appear. No problem. Thank you. Put that in that file. I think that's what's going to be us all the morning. Is the jury here? Did you receive the, that's not you. You're not running the jury trial. I was trying to see if you all received the jury instructions.
I did.
Will we still be conducting the probation violation hearings this afternoon, or will they be reset?
Well, it's 11.
Any of yours?
Are they actually gonna run a hearing?
I got the documentation for it after 5 on Friday. So
Documentation?
the allegations and recommendation. So I haven't had the opportunity to speak to either of them about it. Ms. Blundell's like, yes.
Okay, well. Ms. Blundell got another violation. She's being removed, but she's gotta come and get her right.
Okay. Is Mr. Beckler still required to appear this afternoon, or?
Weapons school possession, is that the LCC one? Is that?
I'll move that in.
Oh, okay, I'm jumping to the. How many witnesses do we have on this trial? Probably, I'm assuming that the jury should be here. We can call them up here in like 13 minutes, so I think we probably can take a break at 1:30. If he's gonna take a plea. If he's going to run a hearing, then we need to reset it.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, he hasn't had the opportunity. I wasn't aware of any of the violations or recommendations.
Oh, you didn't get anything until?
Nothing until
Okay,
Friday.
so do you have contact with him?
I sent him a text reminding him that he has a hearing, but I don't think I saw a response from him, and.
Okay, well, obviously you can appear via Zoom and we will see what's going on with them. I don't know. I would like for them to appear via Zoom too, but we don't know if we can get in contact with them on Zoom.
If you like, I can certainly make efforts over the lunch break to get hold of both of them and advise them Zoom.
That would be wonderful.
Very good, thank you.
You're here. Yes, we are here. Mr. Riley, did you get the instructions before trial and the procedural? Oh, did we need to make any changes to those?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, we will.
Sorry. I have my crap.
Is your client out there?
She is in the home.
I gotta figure out why I have so much paper. It's gotta be a better way. What is this? Notice? I don't know what this is going. Okay. On the record, in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Anari Janelle Ramos, Washington. Am my understanding is that the jury is here. Any preliminary matters that have been brought up?
On behalf of the people, Your Honor.
I don't think that's right.
Have we- Oh, please.